Good evening, everyone. The girl standing in front of you is a print ad model, a content creator, a product endorser, and a businesswoman. The girl standing in front of you is Hazel Mendoza Umali, 21, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Science. I came all the way from the municipality of Rodriguez, province of Rizal. At ngayong pong gabi, itataas ko ang tunay at natural na gandang Mondal Peña. Na nag-iiwan ng isang masarap na kasabihan, hindi lahat ng masarap pwede niyong tikman. In short, huwag ako, iba na lang. In this world that everyone wants to be Maria Osawa, allow me to be your Maria Clara. For I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old listener. And I am very proud and humble because I am your It Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multipacks, first runner-up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Binibining Loisa Andayo? And I always believe, si Bis, amare, amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 2. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Ako po ay tubong tundo pero pusong San Jose, Montalban, Rizal, Takalpong. Salamat.
People of Montalban, Rizal, good evening. I am proudly wearing right now the festival costume that commemorates the arrival of the Panay people straight to the island of Panay that is now called the city of Iloilo, the Dinagyang Festival. My name is Engineer Junel Siege Garcia. 28 anyos mula pa po sa bayan ng Marilao, lalawigan ng Bulacan. And yes, I'm a proud to be magna cum laude graduate from Far Eastern University and now a certified software engineer by profession. O isa po sa mga sertipikadong inhinyero ng Republika ng Pilipinas. But since tonight this is a beauty pageant, allow me to introduce myself further. Opo, isa nga po ako sa mga baklang nakalusot sa pabilisan ng pindutan. Sumagot sa mga katanungan na puno ng kalokohan. At nagpakita po ng aking talino at galing sa showtime. Yes, I'm one of your Miss Q&A Intergalactic 2019 semi-finalists. But since tonight I was asked to borrow one specific personality, allow me to borrow the sexiest vixen of this generation. The one and only Cassiopeia from the fantasy record Encantadia, your one and only Miss Solenn Yusuf. Solenn Yusuf saying, batid ko po ang ating mga hurado mula kanan hanggang kaliwa, mapagitna ay sadyang mga intelihente at mga edukado. Kaya't ba't hindi pa po natin ibigay ang 100% sa baklang mayangking ganda at talino dahil lagi po nating pagkakatandaan na hindi po batayan ang panlabas sa kaanyuan at hubog ng katawan upang ikaw ay hirangin na reyna ng Montalban. Sapagkat pag ang puso, utak at bibig na po ang nagsama-sama, yan, maiiba ang batayan at tinatawag niyong ganda. And I thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Tonight is the gathering of all icons all over the Philippines, battling for one crown, one title. And when the night begins, ang aking kasagutan ay, hindi to, ate! Tonight is not only a celebration of a reign of colors or you are part of LGBT community plus, because this is a protest to finding a beauty in a quest for equality. Therefore, friends, allies of the rainbow community, don't be deceived of my personality and me, because my personality is me and my attitudes depends on you. Hello, hi, and mabuhay, and a glamorous evening to each and everyone. Also for the board of judges. My name is Brittany Valid, a fresh 22 years old stunner, hailing all the way last from my own hometown. Welcome, Yes po, ang nag-iisang mami po nating lahat. Mami nyo, mami ko. Hayaan niyo po, hiramin ko ang pagkakabae na nag-iisa, Nay Matmat Centino. Yes po. Yes, Nay Matmat Centino po, na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan. Pag ang ahas po ay kulay puti, lapitan nyo, swerte yan. Pero pag ang ahas naman po ay kulay itim, ay layuan nyo, mawas yan. Pero pag ang ahas naman ay kulay brown, hawakan mo, himasin mo, alagaan mo. Don't panic, it's organic. Again, I am your candidate number 4. Mark my number and I show you the show must go on. Maraming salamat po.
Ambassador of SBI College Cubao with a Bachelor of Arts in Communication
naman dyan. Thank you very, very much. Celebrating beauty and diversity, this program, Queen of San Jose 2025, aims to promote the beauty and richness of our diverse communities. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Montalban, standing in front of you is a 26-year-old stunner who hails all the way from the land of the most beautiful sirenas in the Philippines, Piñahan, Quezon City. My name is Casey Banyes Pakulan. I am your Queen of Quezon City 2018 and your reigning Miss International Queen Philippines NCR. Tonight is more than just a fiesta. Tonight is a celebration of beauties all over the Philippines. And ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, talking about national, cultural, or festival costume, this elegant ensemble represent the timeless beauty and grace of Filipino fashion. I am wearing a modern Filipiniana, and this is inspired by the most celebrated Filipino rice cake, the puto and suman. And ladies and gentlemen, bago ko polisanin ang 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, hayaan niyo maghayag ako ng isang saloobin. Aanhin ko ho ang ganitong kagandahan kung hindi ko naman matitikman ang inyong kapitan. Kap, nasan ka, Kap? Beke naman. Again, ladies and gentlemen, people of Montalban, remember my number. I'm your candidate number 7 dahil ngayong gabi, marami pa po kami pasabog. Thank you.
Contest, nasasalihan. Ay. Mas pinili po namin ang San Jose, Montalban, Rodriguez, Rizal. Dahil bali-balita namin, masarap kayong tumanggap na bisita at pahingi ng palakpakan! Gagayahan! Sulit na sulit! Traveling almost 7 hours where I presently reside at Cabanatuan City, province of Nueva Ecija. And considering, of course, the traffic, na wala-wala pa kami, napunta kami ng Abilene Zoo. Iba binigay ni Waze. Pati si Waze fake news. Kidding aside, maraming salamat sa pagdalo ninyo ngayong gabi. And of course, to the honorable panel, let me introduce to you, my name is Matrika May Matmat Centino, and I'm a mass communication graduate from the Leyte Normal University, where being a transgender woman in this society is not to diminish our humanity. Our only purpose in living is to love and to be loved, to contribute and be prosperous. Tumigil man ang ulan, magkaroon man ng aberya ng kuryente, patuloy kaming rarampa dahil gusto namin kayo ay mapasaya. Kaya sa paulit-ulit na nagtatanong, bakit patuloy pa rin akong sumasampa sa entablado? Because there's one great thing and passion I'd like to realize and impose, of course, to the younger generation na hindi po ito kung sino ang number one, ang pinaka-the best. To remind everybody sa mga bata na pageantry, of course, the true spirit is camaraderie, sisterhood, and of course, respect to everyone. As we celebrate tonight, I'd like to say, ang tunay na reyna kailanman hindi nagbibilang kung ilang beses ka nang pinutungan ng corona. Magkusang kapakumbabaan ng loob ang pinakamahalagang bagay, magsisilbi mong ligasiya, itaas o ibaba man ang entablado. Let's just enjoy the night, be kind, dahil yun lang naman ang pinakamahalaga sa mundo. Celebration, of course, the Rainbow June Pride Month. Of course, respeto pa din ang kailangan nating lahat. From the bottom of my heart, I'm standing by the name, ang babaeng laging nagtatanong, meron ba kayong lemon? Gusto ko na. Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa. My name is Mami Tony or Tony Fowler, na lagi rin uling nagpapaalala, ang totoong reyna kahit kapapanganak pa lang, rumarampa na. Malaki, mataba, payat, bata o matanda, wala pong silbing iyong pagiging gwapo o maganda kung hindi ka man lang napagpangiti ng manla. Let's generate a beautiful evening, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat po. And again, advance congratulations to the organizer. Nakakalokang stage, nakakalokang production, well-organized, and we have the distinct panel of the Board of Judges. God bless everyone, enjoy, and that's a beautiful attitude, be grateful every day. But more than anything else, I'd like to say, from the bottom of my heart, God bless, and I love you all. Thank you.
And our last candidate
I know. Joke lamang po. The cost of human life and suffering are so high that we have to work hard to end violence and oppression once and for all. We have to make sure that every human being is equal in dignity, in freedom, and in first article of Universal Declaration of Human Rights states that we have to live in a spirit of brotherhood. Na yung ba ganabi kada kayo amin or should I say, good evening to each and everyone. My name is Clay De Ramos. I am 21 years old, who truly all the way last from the home of the art and home of the Higantes Festival of the Philippines, Municipality of Angono, Province of Rizal. And tonight, I will not mention any of my life achievements because I know that the judges will judge us based in our performance and not in our personal background. And lastly, living in this gender preference is very difficult. We may be criticized and discriminated, but then again, we will still prove to all of you tonight that we, in this modern time, will make a stand as a human being.